In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Marksheet in Microsoft Excel, complete with total, percent, and rank formulas. Creating a Marksheet in Excel is a practical way to organize students' scores, calculate totals, percentages, and even rank them automatically, making grading much faster and more efficient. To start, open a new Excel workbook and create a table with the necessary columns. Typically, you'll want to include student name, subject scores, total, percentage, and rank. Enter the names of your students in the first column and their scores for each subject in the subsequent columns. Make sure your table is clear and organized to make calculations easy. Once your students' scores are entered, it's time to calculate the total marks. Click on the first empty cell under the total column. Use the sum formula by typing equals sum and then select the range of cells that contain that student's scores. Close the bracket and press enter. Excel will instantly calculate the total score for that student. You can then drag the fill handle down to apply this formula to all students in your table. Next, we will calculate the percentage. In the first empty cell under the percentage column, type equals and then divide the total score by the maximum possible marks. For example, if your total marks are out of 500, you would type equals total divided by 500 times 100. Press enter and Excel will give the percentage for that student. Again, drag the fill handle to apply this formula to all students. This gives you a clear view of each student's performance in terms of percentage. Finally, to determine the rank of each student, click on the first cell under the rank column and type equals rank.eq and then select the total score of that student, followed by the range of total scores for all students, and finally type comma 0 to rank in descending order. Press enter and you will see the highest total gets rank 1. Drag the fill handle to fill the rank for all students. With these steps, you now have a complete Excel Marksheet that automatically calculates totals, percentages, and ranks. This will save time and help you maintain accurate records efficiently. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.